after a few time, my mom came to home and she started knocking the door. But
I was in.
I was in sleep.
Actually, I was
I
sleeping.
was
Right.
sleeping, and my mom started knocking
Knocking.
the door, but I didn't hear the noise, and my mom very scared for what happened inside and why we are not opening the door, and she
Okay.
started shouting on.
Shouting.
But I can't hear that.
I couldn't
I
hear.
couldn't hear that, and my mom told to my neighbors
Mm-hmm.
to break the door,
Okay.
and he comes and break the door. After
Okay.
that, my mother came up at
My mother
came
came.
in the house, and she started shouting on me and my siblings. So, why you are don't opening the door?
Why didn't you open the
Why?
door? What are you doing?
Yes.
What were you doing? Right.
So
You have to
we are
express yourself.
so we told that we are sleeping. That's why we don't open.
We didn't open the door, right?
Didn't hear the noise. That's why. So my mom said it's okay. You can sleep
Right.
now.
Very nice. When we narrate a story, when we tell a story, we should become the story. Like they bang the door. What were you doing? I have been noticing a long time. Mummy, I'm sorry. It's also a good storytelling. But we'll discuss that other time, inshallah. We are discussing about grammar part right now. We are just learning grammar, so don't worry. Any last question I should ask? What's your future plan?
What's I as I told